Have you ever dreamed of visiting a city that blends history with vibrancy? Welcome to London, the heart of culture, heritage, and unforgettable experiences. London paints a tapestry of iconic tourist locations. Each site offers a glimpse of its rich history and bustling modernity. Let's delve into some must-see attractions. First, we have the London Eye. This giant observation wheel gives breathtaking views. Imagine soaring above the Thames, spotting famous landmarks. Next, visit Buckingham Palace. Witness the changing of the guard ceremony. It's an impressive symbol of the British monarchy. Just a short walk away is the Houses of Parliament and Big Ben. This iconic clock tower stands as a national treasure, representing London's historical roots. Tower Bridge is another gem. Spanning the Thames, its ancient mechanism for raising the bridge is remarkable. You'll definitely want a photo opportunity here. Exploring the Tower of London reveals the crown jewels. These dazzling pieces offer a look into England's royal history. Don't forget Hyde Park. It's an oasis of tranquility amidst the city's hustle. Relax, have a picnic, or rent a boat. The British Museum is a world-class institution. It houses artifacts from ancient cultures around the globe. Hop on a big bus for a scenic tour. The unique underground experience allows you to witness many landmarks promptly. Visit Kensington Palace to explore royal living. The gardens surrounding it are equally enchanting. St. Paul's Cathedral is awe-inspiring. Its magnificent dome dominates the skyline, inviting visitors for exploration. At the Natural History Museum, wonder at specimens of life. The blue whale skeleton is a favorite among families. Don't miss Trafalgar Square, and the lively Piccadilly Circus that brims with street performances, shops, and delightful cafes. Westminster Abbey, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, welcomes those seeking history and spirituality. It's where royal ceremonies occur. Finally, Windsor Castle offers a glimpse into royal tradition. The majestic grounds are perfect for a day trip. To summarize, London is a blend of history and culture, with countless unforgettable experiences. From royal landmarks to vibrant parks, there's something for everyone. Ready to explore London? Start planning your trip today for memories that will last a lifetime.